yjyummyjai, and I'm back with another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back and I'm better. And today we're doing stacked jeans. What you're gonna need today is some thread, and I'm using this color thread because that's the color of the thread on the pants. You're gonna need the pants that you want to be stacked. Okay. And the pants that you're cutting up. Alright, so I'm using this color thread because, like, hope y'all can see that. That's why, because the thread is that color. And so you need 2 pair of pants. Just make sure they're the same color. 2 pair of pants, make sure they're the same color. So if you were stacking black pants, you just need black thread. That's it. If you got a sewing machine, you can use that. I don't have a sewing machine, so I'm gonna use my hands today. I wasn't gonna buy one either, so that's saving me money. And let's get right into the video. So one more thing, I forgot to mention that you need scissors. Okay, and so these are the pants that I'm cutting, and these are the pants that I'm stacking. I know it looks kind of dark. My apologies, I'm trying. So I'm gonna cut the pants like right about here. Cut these right about here. So let me just get started with it. Alright, so these are the pants that you're stacking. Take these, blah blah blah. You're gonna take the pants you cut, flip it inside out. Alright, now take the bottom of the pants that you're stacking, take the pants that you flip inside out, make sure it's this way, put them nice in there. Okay, make sure your pants are lined up. Actually, let me fix that real quick. Make sure it's lined up. You can go ahead and pin it if you want to. I might depend mine. Okay, so I got mine pinned up. So I'm gonna hand stitch this, and I'm gonna show you how to thread the needle. So like, it's basically like if you know how to sew weaves and stuff, it shouldn't be that hard. So got your needle, got your thread, whatever. Okay, so put the thread through the needle, measure how much you, you might not even need this much, so, but I'm gonna cut it anyway, so it don't really matter. Go ahead and tie the knot. You might want to tie a couple of knots because you could sew the pants and the thread could just slip right through it. So just tie a couple of knots in that joint, and then I'm just gonna start. Just want to sew right along here. Don't sew down here, just right along here. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna record a little bit of me sewing, and yeah, cause oh shoot, see, I done messed up already. Actually, whatever, forget it. But I'm trying to keep still. All right, so just go through here, go back through, pull your needle through, and there you go. And do the same thing, go in, or we'll actually go out through the pants, pull it back in, pull it through. I forgot what type of stitching that's called, but this is basically the same thing I did for my black pants, and it's much easier, especially if you're just starting to sew. You don't really know how to do it like that, because I sure as hell don't. It's that simple. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay, go through the pants, bring it back in, pull it through. Okay. Alright, so I finished sewing. Take your pants. Just pull it out. Not me. I know. Just pull it out. I'm gonna distress like the ends, cause yeah. So I'm gonna distress the ends, and I'm gonna come back. They basically bell bottoms. It's like nah, but yeah. Distress these, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what they look like when. And yeah. Okay, so they were looking real plain at first, so I just distressed them down here too. Now I'm starting, I'm sure, in the back, like yes, girl. Yes, girl. It's real cute for summertime. Like, yes, I will be wearing these pants. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And peace.